Hello learners, welcome back to the channel. So in the HackerRank series, we have next question is about nested list. So let's read the problem. Given the names and grades for each student in a class of n students, store them in a nested list and print the names of any students having the second lowest grade. So the note is given here. If there are multiple students with the second lowest grade, order their names alphabetically and print each name on a new line. Okay, so example they are showing records are like key 20.0, then beta, then alpha 50. So the ordered list of score is 20 and 50, right? And the second lowest score is 50. There are two students with that score, that is beta and alpha, right? So ordered alphabetically, the names are printed as alpha and beta. Okay, so this is the problem. Now the input format is given. The first line contains an integer n, the number of students, and the 2n subsequent lines describe each student over 2 lines. The first line contains a student's name, the second line contains their grade, and then constraint here n is greater than 2, less than 5. There will always be one or more students having the second lowest grade. Okay, so suppose the input is showing here 5 and then Harry, Berry, Tina, Akriti, and Harsh. So there are 5 students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have all their numbers as well, grades as well. Now the output is you can see what is the second lowest. So the lowest is 37, 37.2, 37.2. So second lowest would be 39, and then the highest is 41. So 39 is okay. So it is first is 37.2, second would be 37.21. So the number would be Berry and Harry. The name would be Berry and Harry. So this is how. So these are the 5 students in the class whose names and grades are assembled to build the following list. Harry, this much mark, Berry, Tina, Akriti, and Harsh. The lowest grade of 37.2 belongs to Tina, and then second lowest grade is 37.21. It belongs to both Harry and Berry. So we ordered their name alphabetically and print each name on a new line. So first we'll print Berry and then second we'll print Harry. This is the question. Now, how to solve this? Okay. So they have given name, input, taking in, and then they are keeping a score. It would be input and a float. Now what I want, I will be taking one list. Okay. So let me show you. I will be taking here one list. Suppose list 1, and then initiate it with nothing. And what I will be doing here, I will be appending list 1 dot append the name and the score, right? So as we can see, we have name and score, right? As we can see, this is how it should look, name and a score. So that's why I have appended in the list 1. Now what I want, the second lowest, right? So second lowest would be sorted the list. Okay, and let me tell you, we have to keep everything in set so that it will It will remove the duplicates. Only the unique value will come in the score. So score for name dot score in list 1. So sorted list set mm, and what I want, the index will start from 0, right? So we'll take the uh, second lowest one. Now we need to print the name alphabetically, right, in the new line. So new line is nothing but this one, new, that is the new line, and then I will be joining dot join name for name score in sorted list 1 if score equal to second lowest. Mhm. Okay. So that's it. Let's run it. Okay. There is some error. Okay. So sample test case has passed. Now submit the code. Okay. So as you can see, we have passed all the test cases here. So let me explain you again. So very first I took a empty list, and then what I'll be doing, I will be appending in the list both name and score, so that our list will look like this. And then the second lowest. So what would be the second lowest? So very first again we will apply the set, so that the unique value will be like this: score for name and score in list 1. So score for name and then score in list 1, and we'll do the set, so that we'll get the unique value, then we'll convert into list, and after converting into list we will sort all the value. And once you will sort in, it will get sorted into ascending order. So then we can do and then in the second lowest value we will apply the, we'll take the first index, not the 0. 0 will be the lowest one, and the first index will be the second lowest. So that value will get stored in the second lowest variable. Now we know the what is the second lowest variable. So we will, what we'll do, we will go in the list, uh, we will find the name, right? So name for name, score in sorted list 1. What we'll do, we'll convert this list 1 sorted, and if score is equal to second lowest, so then we'll print what we are printing here, name, and where we will be joining in the new line. So that's what it is doing. I hope you got it.